Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Usually I like to commentate over these, but for now this file is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just going to run it and let you guys see the effects. Alright, so it's pretty simple. It's actually a rep. I was inspired to do it by a file that I wrote on Windows, which I can show you right here. The file's called echo test, but in all reality it only really brings up the echo function once. So if I should just put the whole thing on the screen, goodness. So this is the code for this file, which is the original. It's pretty simple. It just copies it out of this directory to the desktop, takes a quick timeout to make sure it copies properly, goes back one in the drive so it's on the desktop, does another timeout to make sure it takes the time right, and then it will create the new file, another timeout, delete both of them in the end. So upon run, I'm just going to move these out of the way. So upon a run, you can see the original file is copied. Okay. Now it moves itself back to the desktop. Now this file is spawns, and now they're both gone. So it's a pretty clean run. However, I wanted to improve upon that file, so I took it upon myself to do so on DOS. Now I found some issues when I was first doing this. For example, you notice the timeout function was a quintessential part of that original file. However, on DOS, there is no timeout function. So I had to make do without one. So I guess I'll show you the code. So the first thing I did was turn echo off so you didn't see me doing everything behind the scenes. Imagine if you had a stage and you have those curtains that hide the stage crew. Imagine if those curtains weren't there. That's kind of like what echo does. So when I turn echo off, I'm putting the curtains in front of the stage crew so you can't see them. But there's still stuff going on behind the scenes. So the first thing you see pop up is this little file of text. It's pretty basic. I just popped it up on the screen after echo was off so you could see it. And then I put a pause in so you have to proceed, so you can actually read it. I cleared the screen. I went down 2 drives to the test drive where I'm going to drop the files. I listed the directory to show you what it's like now. I did another pause to make sure you could read that. I cleared the screen. I copied it. I cleared the screen again so you can't see the copy. Now you might have noticed that because there's actually a prompt even when echo is off for copying a file. But I just cleared the screen so that popped up for a millisecond. I'm not sure how exactly to do that without you seeing it at all. It might be a option in the. I'll take a look at it. It might be an option in copy. There might be a way to do it. If there is, I'll toss that on the end, and then it won't be necessary to clear the screen. After this, I created the file using the exact same code I used on Windows, because I don't understand why this spawns a file, but it does. So I'm not gonna argue. I listed the directory. And I brought up this prompt which told you that both of them are present. I paused so you could read it, cleared the screen again, deleted both of them, listed the directory and tell you they're gone. Pause, I cleared the screen, I came back to this directory, I cleared the screen, and that was the end of the file. So I'm going to see, because I thought about this when I was doing this, I'm going to see if there's a way I can clean this up a little bit. Alright, copy. Specifies the AS. Suppresses prompting. It's worth a shot. Let's try -Y. I don't think it'll work, but it's worth a shot. Everything's worth a shot. I mean, what's the worst that happens? It doesn't work, and whatever. I probably should have read where exactly you put those scripts. So if it's A or B, it goes in front, but in this case, since it isn't A or B, it goes on the end. Okay. So we'll do edit selfrep.bat. Let's navigate over to this, and let's put our... Holy cow. I can't navigate over there. Okay, I think I got pretty close. No, I didn't. This is the fun of DOS right here. Now we'll navigate to the end of our copy. Holy cow. The mouse isn't fully functioning. I swear to God. Dash Y. And I guess we'll just run it again. Selfrep.bat. So what we're looking for here is a little flash when I copy the file. So look for a flash at the very top of your screen. See it? Yep. That means it didn't work. Oh, nah, leave it there. What the hell? Nah, it's not. It's rough coding. If something is there and it doesn't have a purpose, you might as well remove it. Damn it. Didn't mean to enter that. Okay, and we'll alt text out of that again. We'll save again. So there you go. That's my self-replicating batch file. I think it's a pretty sophisticated piece of code for what I'm working with here. However, I wish I could take that copy out, because that flash is the only problem right now, I think, with this file. Maybe, let me see if there's a way to list the directory and highlight files. That'd be pretty cool. Lowercase, bare format. Huh, let me try directory-b. Oh. I don't know, that might be better. Sorry, I had to take a drink. That might be better. How about directory-d? Directory-ad. That's kind of sloppy. It doesn't even list the files correctly. So I think -b, if you wanted to do it, would be the best way to do it. Because it's pretty straightforward. Yeah, I think I'll change that around to -b and I'll run it one last time. Let's go to all the way down to directory. Let's change that to -b for every instance of the directory command. I think you could search this, but I'm way too upset already with this. So there are 3 listings. I've changed it 3 times. Let's run it one more time. Selfrep.bat. Alright. I don't know why that -y is there, but okay. Did I really only add 1 file? No, it added 2. Okay. Yep. I wonder if I can directory dash question mark. Let's see. They were talking about attributes. So you'd actually do directory -a colon date dash bear. Would that list it correctly? No, it didn't. Huh. I want to do the one with the date listing, but that is not working. Because that'd be the best one, because that would easily show you, like, well, here it is. It's pretty obvious these were added very recently. But it says earliest first, which means the newer ones would be at the bottom, which makes sense. Oh my, it's O. I'm so dumb. -O, -g, and -b, I think. Perfect. Alright, we're gonna change this one more time. So we want to do, okay, we want to do, here we go, O colon D dash bear. O colon D dash bear. And one more time. O colon D dash bear. Alright. Alt text. Save out. Selfrep.bat. And let's see. Notice how the directory is right now. Notice how both are present and they're gone. Oh, that is beautiful. I love that. Alright. That's a wrap on that. The video went a little longer than I wanted because I've kind of got dragged into editing my batch file. But if you have any questions, go ahead and drop it in the comments, and Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you.